Hello guys, today we will do slime together. I will do it with you first, then I will do it with my kids. Only we need clear slime glue and slime activator, wood sticks, something to measurement, colors, and glitter. First thing we will add 15 ml of clear glue. Then we will add 25 ml of water like this. Then we will stir very gentle. Then we will add the favorite color. I love the purple. Some glitter too. Stir very well. Wow, I love it. Then last thing we will add the slime activator, around 5 ml. Careful, and stir very well. Oh my goodness. Great. Slimy. Wow. So nice and easy. Guys, this is great. You have to do it, but ask a grown up to help you always when you use something dangerous like scissors. Finally, slime. Thank you for watching this video. Hello guys.
Hello.
Are you ready for experiment today?
Yes. Yes.
What's gonna to do?
Yeah. I know. But those. Yes.
Slime.
Slime and just got glitter in a tub and I mix it with popsicle sticks.
Okay, with the
And
stacks. Yeah.
We the grown up I have my mommy.
Good job. Always you need grown up when you do something like use the scissors and
Don't forget.
yeah.
But don't eat your experiment. Don't eat it.
No, yes, good job, yes.
Yeah,
Don't put in your
today-
mouth. Don't
Yeah.
put anything in your mouth.
But today we make it swag.
Good job. Are you ready? I'm
Yes,
so exciting. Okay.
Mom, can you help us?
First, yes, Habibi. Absolutely, I will help. Okay, first thing, you will use the clear glue, 25
you do?
Yes, 25 water. Okay.
Done? Are you done?
Yes. We will put it here.
Okay.
And the same for John.
Yes, it's so sticky in that.
Yes.
So sticky. Now can we mix it?
Yes, I will put water, then you can mix it.
Okay.
Okay. So first, slime clear glue, 15 ml.
Water.
Yeah, 15 ml. Then
Dump it up. Oh my God, you're so sticky. It's 15.
25
25 water.
water.
Ooh, too much, Mommy.
Yes, this is 25 obviously.
Now
Okay.
mix.
Yes.
Agitate, 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 agitate. Now can stop. Whenever the sink is cool down.
Yes. Mix it. Slow. Like this. Okay. Then we will put.
I want the purple one. That's my favorite.
Like this. John, which
Oh,
color
the-
do you like?
Can I put it?
No, this is too much.
Yeah.
This one blue. The favorite color for John is blue.
My favorite color, pink and blue.
I think it's a head big enough here.
Yeah, I use always the glitter.
Okay.
It's not your cakes, right, Mom?
Yes, not
Oh,
yet.
my
We will
God.
add something. Are you ready for next step?
Yes. Mine's so
Okay.
colorless.
Junesta.
Done. Keep agitating.
Too much, you guys.
100.
Whole bag.
Mine mixed up.
Yes, Junesta, no, don't touch it.
Sorry.
Okay, your favorite is purple.
Yeah.
You can use some. You can take some. Take some. Take some.
Mommy.
Okay, you can use.
Where
Where
is-
is John's?
Wait, it's two. What we gonna do with it?
Like this.
Oh, now it's here. Can I do it?
Okay.
I'm supposed to.
John, you can
Hey,
use this one.
you
The
give
blue
me-
one.
Why is it sad? It's not must. Have to must it. Come on. I must do.
That's okay.
Okay, Candy. I'm done.
Then we will add the slime activator.
Again.
No, this is the clear glue. This is the slime activator.
Oh,
you
now I
ready?
got it. Now I'm ready.
Slow, very slow. Excuse me. Oh, start to make it.
Oh my goodness. So sticky.
Yeah.
Whoa, it's so sticky.
Wow. Mix it very well. Yes. Oh, look.
Whoa.
Oh.
Now can I play?
No, wait. Mix it very well first. Wow. There is. Yes.
Can we? It's
Now done?
so stretchy.
Now done?
Yeah.
Slime party! That's how you make slime, kids. So sticky. And if you want to make mess, just make it. And don't make it for perfect. And clean up your mess too.
Good job, yeah, Juju.
And clean up your
Now I will show the kids.
Okay,
This is clear slime glue and slime activator, leader, and color.
I want to take it out. Can I put it?
And water.
I like it.
Oh, I like it too.
But I want to put it back.
Did you enjoy?
Yes, so sticky. I want it all.
Okay,
Wow.
thank you for watching this
Yeah,
video.
leave the comments below.
And subscribe for our channel. Watch our channel.
Okay, thank you. Bye
Thank you.
bye.
Bye-bye.